Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of petrol engines. We'll be discussing the working, manufacturing, history, innovation, and advantages and disadvantages of this amazing piece of technology. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the working of a petrol engine. A petrol engine is an internal combustion engine designed to run on petrol. It uses a spark ignition system, unlike diesel engines which typically use compression ignition. Another key difference is that petrol engines typically have a lower compression ratio. Now, let's move on to the manufacturing of petrol engines. The manufacturing process involves several steps, including casting, machining, assembly, and testing. Casting is the first step, where the engine block is created. Machining follows, where the block is machined to create the cylinder walls, the cylinder head, and other components. Assembly is the next step, where all the components are put together. Finally, the engine is tested to ensure it meets all the necessary standards. Moving on to the history of petrol engines, they have come a long way since their invention in the late 1800s. The first successful petrol engine was designed by Carl Benz in 1885, and since then, they have undergone numerous innovations and improvements. Speaking of innovations, there have been several significant advancements in petrol engine technology over the years. One of the most notable is the introduction of fuel injection systems, which have greatly improved fuel efficiency and performance. Now, let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of petrol engines. On the plus side, they are generally more efficient and have a longer lifespan than diesel engines. They also have a higher power-to-weight ratio, making them ideal for high-performance applications. However, they are also more expensive to manufacture and maintain, and they emit more pollutants than diesel engines. In conclusion, petrol engines are a fascinating piece of technology with a rich history and numerous innovations. They have their advantages and disadvantages, but they continue to be a vital part of our transportation system. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of petrol engines. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content. Until next time, keep exploring.